Hi, I'm Andy and I'm a site engineer on the Forrestfield-Airport Link station. Today we're here at Airport Central Station.
Hi, I'm Ben Johnson, Site Supervisor here at Airport Central Station. Along the alignment we're building 3 new stations, all unique in their own right.
So we're currently standing on the base slab of the station. This is about 17 metres below ground level. Behind me is the eastern end of the station. This is where TBM's Grace and Sandy first broke through into the station. One of the most unique things about Airport Central Station is that it spans 3 levels over the entire structure.
A couple of other unique points here at Airport Central Station is that we are directly located south of the control tower, and once works have completed here at the station, we'll have an elevated covered walkway which will lead from the station directly to the terminal.
So we've just come up to the concourse level. Ben's just left us briefly just to oversee the delivery of the second set of escalators. Right behind me is the first set of escalators which were installed today. And this is to span from the station's elevated walkway level to transport passengers down to the concourse level, which is where we're at the moment. The concourse level of the station will house the station's ticketing facilities. Welcome back, Ben. Whereabouts are we at the moment?
We're currently now at ground level, which is 10 metres up from where you last left off. We're now located on the eastern end of the box. Behind us is where we're going to close up the ground slab, and then eventually there'll be the vent stack, which is the ventilation system for the station. And where we're standing right now will end up being car park and landscaped areas.
So in the next couple of months, some of the major scopes of work happening at Airport Central Station is the station structural steel will be commencing with the erection of the roof steel. We'll also be continuing the construction of the platform slab and the platform walls, and we'll also be constructing the ring beams on the western end of the station.
Well, thanks for joining us here today at Airport Central Station. That's all we have time for, and we'll see you next month on another site.